Conversation Orchids Part 1 and 2. Today we discuss national symbols of India. Watch the video till end. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Smart Creative Zone. Let's start the video. National animal tiger. National heritage animal elephant. National reptile king cobra. National aquatic animal dolphin. National bird peacock. National fruit mango. National flower lotus. National vegetable pumpkin. National tree banyan tree. National river Ganga. National flag tricolor. Tiranga. National game hockey. National anthem Jana Gana Mana. National song Vande Mataram. National emblem Satyamev Jayate. National food khichdi. National festival are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. National Day, Independence Day. National Day, Republic Day. National Day, Gandhi Jayanti. National language Hindi. National currency Indian rupee.